Oh yeah. What we got here, people? Dope little.
Oh snap! These little bonbons look alright.
See, I don't need to be in here.
I'm about to mess around. Death by chocolate. Some of y'all gonna eat death by chocolate. Apple pie, mini apple pies. See me?
We don't.
Oh, they got a red cheese. This is the cake I got right here, y'all. Oh, I have to read it. So lemon crunch cake. You got lemon cake, plus vanilla wafers, lemon, and that flooded filling, vanilla buttercream, sprinkled with
All right, y'all. Let's see what we hitting on here. We got lemon crunch cake, and what they say was in it. They said something about some vanilla wafers and. So I'm gonna go with a little piece of the cake first before I even try the icing. Let's see what we hit on. Cake ain't really as moist as it is. It's a little dry.
That's dry to you?
I'm gonna say dry.
I just got cake in it. It's not dry.
No. Let me see what this a piece with the icing on it.
It's straight. It's straight.
I ain't gonna sit here and say it's not good because
It's good. That's different. Don't get too much though.
You said try the middle part? Let me see what this middle part here now. In the middle. Oh shit. Why I gotta get too much?
Oh, okay.
You actually like the middle part?
A little bit more lemon.
It's straight. I'm gonna go with it. It's straight. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep eating it though.
Because I like sweet shit. I ain't had no sweet shit in a while. Man.
Some of that. It ain't something I'm like, but I like to try something else eventually.
But I can't try too much. Because we still trying to keep those abs, people.
We're still trying to keep those abs. So indulge in stuff like this. Indulge in stuff like this. But just don't, this is how much we got left. Just don't get carried away. But sometimes you can't just stop eating. But I tell you what though, man.
I think the cake is better than anything. Like if you get solid cake. Did it say it was nuts in here or no?
No. Vanilla wafers. Those are those nuts, right?
Yeah. They're down here.
Right. I ain't read the word peanuts on that. Even though I ain't read every.
I do either. I read it, but.
Right.
Yes, I don't like the middle because it's like pudding.
Yeah.
The cake itself is good.
Yeah, I fuck with it.
And then the icing is alright. So.
You heard her. She said alright too, so it ain't to, but it's good.
It's definitely probably better than the banana pudding cake. I think the banana pudding cake.
How would it?
I don't know if you had a
Oh,
good time or not.
I would, and I love banana pudding.
That's just a dry one. I don't know if you had a good time. It's not good.
Damn. I didn't take a picture of the motherfucker before I ate it.
Oh,
I'm about to get a picture over there of that. Like a cake or something.
Oh shit.
damn, that's a long hours. Jesus Christ.
I know, right? Ooh, goddamn. I'm gonna regret this. Yeah, definitely. Too much. I need some cake. So I'm curious to see when I give them the scale tomorrow if it changes.
Okay. Thank you.
Gotta get the inside of that motherfucker. Ooh. I might do a nap after this little motherfucker. I bet this is a lot of sugar. Just bad for my Should have took my ass to Maxi B's.
Devouring that shit. Ain't shit left in the fucking cake.
No, ain't shit left. Hey, look, cause I don't eat sweets like that, people. But
Yeah, okay.
it's good. I can't front about that. It's good. I'm not gonna give no denials about that. But it ain't to die for. And I love sweets, and I don't eat them like that. So I was expecting me to be like, oh my goodness. But yeah, try it for yourself, man. Tell me what you think. Oh.